Okay, welcome back. So by now you should have added in that development plugin, had to play around with it, and you should have now pushed all your changes onto your remote repository. So you should be now in a position where you're ready to install your repo on your live environment. So what we need to do first is need to go to our repo. Let's make sure we grab the HTTPS, and we're going to grab that. And we're now going to go back into our terminal, and I'm actually going to open up a new one, and I am going to connect to my server. Actually, I'm just going to do this, and I'll do the connect, pause this, do the connect, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I'm now in my live server or my web hosting account, so I'm now going to navigate to the domain that I want to use, and HTML. Okay, so we're in the folder that we want to be in. So now I need to do, like we did before, we did a git clone. So we did git clone and recursive because we've got a submodule in there. Let's grab the repo and paste that in, and we want to give this well, you can give the folder a name. You can add it into a subfolder, or you can just add in the dot, and that will add it in without creating the subfolder there. So let's do that, and we now need to add in our password. Okay, so that's doing everything there for us. Again, it might take a little while. No, it's taking quite a short amount of time. See how we go. Okay, I might pause this video and wait till it's all completed. Okay. Okay, so the clone is now finished. I've just quickly done an ls to list what's in the folder now, and we've now got our all our WordPress installations. So let's now go and connect to our site via sftp, and let's go and have a look at what's in our web hosting account. Okay, perfect. So everything's now in there. Let's just make sure that the WordPress files are there. Okay, that's all good. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to, we've got a database set up. We don't need to worry about the local config this time. So what we need to do is now we need to put in our details here in our database or database details in our file there, and then we do the installation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in, and of course we need to now remove that wp_development file as well. Okay, so let's, I'll pause this video here. I'm going to add all the details, and then we're going to get through to the installation screen of our WordPress site. So I'll see you in just a moment. Okay, so I've added in all my database details, so the database name, my username, password, and the host URL. So let's now go to 1009.com. This is my just the dummy setup, and again the WP and the WP-admin, and I'm not in a subfolder this time, so I don't need to add that subfolder name. So let's click enter, and we should be taken to the installation screen, which we've just been added into there. So git test, and we're going to add in, and this site's going to be deleted, so don't bother about trying to find this site. Okay. And password. Oh, I think I've typed it in wrong. Okay. And let's add in our mail, and I'm not going to allow indexing, so let's install. Okay, we're all done. Let's log in. Okay. Okay, and we should be all logged in with no errors. Fingers crossed. Brilliant. Let's go and have a look at our appearance. And we should have our Bones theme there for us to be able to use, which we do, which is fantastic. Let's have a look at our plugins. Okay, and that's all activated, and there's the must use is there, still there for us to view, but it's only going to show Okay, so I might have to have a quick look at that as the reason why that's all happening, but that's cool. Okay, so let's go into our general here and just make a double check. We can remove the WP there and save the changes. And the next thing we want to do is we then want to check the permalinks. Okay, and that's all done. Alright, so I'm going to leave this video here because it's probably gone long enough, and I'm going to have a quick squiz at the reason why those plugins are coming up as, as activated or inactive, and yeah, we'll come back to that in just a moment. Okay, I'll see you then. Cool, bye.